hydrides. Now we will discuss melting point of group 15, 16 and 17. In group 15, this is the increasing order of melting point in which ammonia has the highest melting point, and from PS3 melting point regularly increases to antimony hydride. Why the melting point of ammonia is highest in this group? Because melting point depends upon the forces of attraction, and here ammonia have intermolecular hydrogen bonding, which are stronger bonding, and other hydrides of this group do not form hydrogen bonds. However, as we move from PS3 to SBH3, molecular size increases due to corresponding increase in their van der Waals forces of attraction, and hence the melting point increases from PS3 to antimony hydride. In case of group 16, water is a liquid and all other are gases, and that's why it has no melting point. Next is group 17. In group 17, Hi, hydrogen iodide, has the highest melting point and HCl the least melting point. The melting point of hydrogen iodide is due to the increased size of the halogen atom, that is iodine. When we move down the group from fluorine to iodine, the size of the atom increases. Due to this increase in size, van der Waals forces of attraction increases and the melting point increases. But the hydrogen fluoride next to the hydrogen iodide in this decreasing order is due to the hydrogen bonding, because hydrogen bondings are strong bondings. That's why its melting point is just after the hydrogen iodide. Next property is basic character and acidic character. What do you mean by the basic character? Basic character means tendency to donate lone pair of electrons or tendency to accept protons. Here in group 15, this is the decreasing order of basic character. Ammonia has the highest basic character in its group, and this is due to the availability of lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom. Because nitrogen has the small size and high electronegativity. Due to its small size, it has lone pair of electrons to donate to the other atom. And as we move down the group, the size of the central atom increases, that is phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, and the electron density around the central atom decreases. And due to non-availability of lone pair of electrons, they have less tendency to donate lone pair of electrons, and hence the basic character decreases in this order. Next is the acidic character. Acidic character means tendency to accept electrons or tendency to produce H positive ions. Here water has the least acidic character, and as we move down the group, the acidic character increases for H2TE. This is due to the strong bond strength. As the bond strength increases, acidic character decreases, or bond length increases, acidic character also increases, because as we move down the group, the size of the central atom increases and the bond length increases, and bond becomes weaker and easily break to produce H positive ions. That's why H2TE has the highest acidic character as we move down the group. Next is for group 17. Here it also shows acidic character. HI, HBr, HCl, HCl. This is the decreasing order of the acidic character. Here the reason is same. Fluorine has small size and it forms strong bonds with the hydrogen and also the hydrogen bonding. But when we move from chlorine to iodine, size of the central atom increases and the bond length increases and bond becomes weaker and hence easily break to produce H positive ions. That's why the hydrogen iodide has the highest acidic character in its series. Next is the thermal stability. Thermal stability depends upon the bond strength. How strong the bond is. For group 15, this is the order for thermal stability. As we move down the group, size of the central atom increases and hence its tendency to form covalent bond decreases, and the non-metal hydrogen bond strength decreases, and hence thermal stability decreases, because thermal stability depends upon the strength of the bond. When bond weakens, it means it requires less energy to break and it is thermally unstable. Next for group 16, here from water to H2TE, thermal stability decreases. As we move down the group, thermal stability decreases. This is also due to the increasing size of the central atom, and the bond strength decreases and hence thermal stability decreases. And for group 17, same reason for the group 17. Here is also, as you move down the group, size of the central atom increases and hence bond strength decreases and thermal stability also decreases. Next is the reducing character. Reducing character means tendency to liberate hydrogen. Here in group 15, tendency to liberate hydrogen increases down the group, because as we move down the group, size of the atom increases, thermal stability decreases, and hence reducing character increases. Due to bigger size of the molecule, bond strength weakens and easily produce H positive ions, dissociates into the ions and show highest reducing character, as in case of bismuth hydride. Next is for group 16. Here is also from water to H2PE, the reducing character increases. This is also due to the increase in atomic size, decrease in thermal stability. Next is for group 17. There is also from hydrogen fluoride to hydrogen iodide. As the size increases, bond strength weakens, thermal stability decreases, and reducing character increases. Next is the enthalpy of dissociation. Enthalpy of dissociation means energy required to break one mole of bond in its gaseous state. For group 16, enthalpy of dissociation decreases down the group. This is also due to the increase in size of the central atom. The bond strength decreases and hence enthalpy of dissociation decreases because enthalpy of dissociation depends upon the bond strength. And in case of group 16, from water to H2E, as we move down the group, the size of the central atom increases and the bond strength decreasing and hence enthalpy of dissociation decreases. Same for the group 17, from HF to HI, the size of the central atom increases and hence bond strength decreases and hence as a result of this enthalpy of dissociation decreases. These are some other properties of hydrides of group 15, 16 and 17. Here in group 15, solubility. Ammonia is water soluble and all other hydrides are insoluble in water because ammonia forms hydrogen bonds with the water molecule, that's why it is soluble in water. But other hydrides of group 15 do not form hydrogen bonds with water molecules. Group 16, physical state. Water is liquid and all other hydrides are unpleasant, foul-smelling, poisonous gases. Volatility. Volatility means tendency to form vapors. And here from S to Se, this is the decreasing order of volatility. Water has a little tendency to vaporize because of strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. And as we move from sulfur to tellurium, the size of the central atom increases and hence its tendency to vaporize also decreases. Next is group 17, physical state. HF is liquid and all other halogen acids are gases. Dipole moment. Dipole moment for group 17 is in decreasing order from HF to HI. Cause dipole moment depends upon the electronegativity of the element. As the electronegativity decreases from fluorine to iodine, dipole moment also decreases.